How to allow or prevent people from messaging you on TikTok. The entire process is pretty simple. Start out on your profile page. Then, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. On the box that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on the button with the lock icon next to it, which is Privacy. Then, scroll down to the Interactions section and tap on Direct Messages. You can see at the very top there's this box that says Allow Direct Messages From. Mine's currently set to Friends. Let's go ahead and tap on this. So here you can see who can send you messages. Like I said, mine's currently on Friends, which is people I follow back that also follow me. If you want anyone to be able to message you, even if you're not following them, tap on Everyone. You can also select No One if you want no one at all to be able to message you, even your followers or people that you're following. And if you want friends and other people you might know, Facebook suggested accounts, mutual friends, stuff like that, you can tap on Suggested Friends. Personally, I want everyone to be able to message me, so I'm going to leave that on Everyone. Once you make your choice, go ahead and click the X, and you're done. Before you go, check this out.